Dear audience, so today we will have the short quiz for SMBS 700 to 50 exam and for the first module, right? So there are 5 questions and we'll quickly go through it. So let's see, are you ready for the exam? Okay, let's see. The first module name is Partnership Opportunities with Cisco. So most of the question would be related to the partnership opportunities with the Cisco, that how different stakeholders participate with the Cisco. Okay, so the first question is which market trend is not a major driver of IT adoption in SME sector? So the first option is digital transformation, increased remote work, focus on cost reduction, growing size of SMEs workforce. So what do you think? What could be the probable answer? So the answer is D, growing size of SME workforce. So the last is. So this is the explanation that why it is correct and why it is incorrect, right? Okay. So because the question was not, right? So that's why the last option is correct. Like although workforce size can influence IT needs, it's not a primary drivers in the context. Okay, this is the second question. What differentiates a solution provider from a reseller in the Cisco ecosystem? So you have 4 options. So what do you think? What could be the best answer in this one? The best answer could be B. Solution providers have broader technical expertise. Now, this explanation for this one, you can read it. You can like pause the video and see why this answer is correct. Okay, so the third question is which aspect of the Cisco partner strategy is most appealing to the SMEs? So we have 4 options, A, B, C, and D. And the answer is C, expertise in specific technologies and industries. And this is a reflection that you can see why answer C is correct. So as far as is expertise in specific technologies and industries, okay, that is this directly addresses the SME need for tailored solution and industry knowledge. Now, the fourth question is what is not a key objective for many small and medium enterprise when seeking IT solution? So again, not, you should take care of this not. And the answer is D, invest in cutting edge technology regardless of ROI, return on investment. And this is the explanation for this one, why this answer is correct. Now, the last question is which managed service is least likely to be of interest to an SMEs with a limited IT budget? So you have 4 options over here and you can see which could be the best answer. So for me, the best answer is C, advanced cybersecurity solution. Why it is correct, you can see the explanation for the correct one and explanation for the incorrect as well. So well done, and I hope you enjoy this short quiz for module 1. In the next video, I will show you about a short quiz for module 2 for SMBS 700 250 exam. Thank you.